Ow! I may not look far, but it's actually down there still pulled me up for it. I climbed up this face right here. It came up. I don't know how fucking high this is, but it's way the fuck up there. I'm scared to get close to the edge. I don't like these rocks, they're all loose. Next time I'll make it all the way up there. Over there. I definitely need a rope and a harness, because there's some shit. Alright, I gotta go down backwards and get some of this. I don't like it backwards. Oh, these big old cactus things. Horrible. I may still stay right there so she don't walk off the damn edge of the earth. Wow, there's poop up here. I think I was trying to go up right there. Bad motherfucker if you can get up there. I'm getting down.